નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th subject English unit number 1st, many kinds of art. As you know students, in our previous videos we completed activity number 1st and 2nd. Now today in this video we have to do activity number 3rd. But starting before activity number 3rd, just we have to revise the activity number 1st and 2nd. In first activity, as you know that one picture is given, illusive picture. Based on that picture, we have to find out the how many things is there in that picture. We already completed that things. After that activity number 2nd, we talked about Vincent van Gogh, one of the great artists who lived from 1853 to 1819. We talked about his paintings, okay, in activity number 2nd. Now based on that activity number 2nd, we have to do activity number 3rd. Activity number 3rd is given in your textbook, page number 2nd. So open your textbook, page number 2nd of your English textbook. Okay? Now today I start activity number 3rd. In activity number 3rd, 3 pictures is given here. You can see in your textbook, 3 pictures is given painted by the Vincent van Gogh. Okay? Just we have to observe that 3 pictures, and based on that 3 pictures, we have to discuss many questions. What type of style he used, which type of paint he used, all the things we have to detail study. Okay, all the things we have to study. Means detailed study of the Vincent van Gogh's pictures. Okay, so now let's start our activity number 3rd. First of all, I read from the textbook. Just you have to see the textbook and line by line I read and explain. So keep attention in your textbook. Student, see here picture of Vincent van Gogh is given here. It is a self-portrait drawn by Vincent van Gogh. Okay, this is a self-portrait. Portrait. What is the portrait? Can you identify portrait? Portrait is own self picture. हमें अपना ही पिक्चर बनाना इस नॉन है जो पोर्ट्रेट अथवा और किसी व्यक्ति का पेंटिंग बनाना इस नॉन है जो पोर्ट्रेट. So here one portrait is given done by Vincent van Gogh. Based on that we have to study. So I start. Just keep on listening. Below you can see 3 of Van Gogh's painting. Here in the downside, 3 paintings of Vincent van Gogh is given. One picture is a self-portrait. One picture is given as a self-portrait. Self-portrait means portrait of Vincent van Gogh. अगर आप अपना ही पोर्ट्रेट बनाते हैं, इसे self-portrait बोलते हैं. उसे self-portrait बोलते हैं. So here one picture is self-portrait of Vincent van Gogh. Then that means it is a painting that Van Gogh painted of himself. That means what self-portrait means. What meaning of self-portrait is given here. That means it is a painting that Van Gogh painted of himself. उसने अपनी ही पिक्चर बनाई है. It's known as a self-portrait. Now next paragraph I read. The way an artist paints, the colors he chooses and the shapes he likes are all part of his style. What is the way an artist paints? Artist किस तरह से पेंट करते हैं? The color he chooses, which type of color he chooses for paintings, and the shapes he likes are all part of his style. And which type of shapes he draw, it is all are known as the style of his paintings. Style of that painter. We can say that style of that painter. Which type of colors he used, which type of shapes he used, all are known as the styles of that painter. Van Gogh's paintings are all of different subjects. but the style of all three is the same. Meaning that in each of his paintings, he used the colors and shapes that he liked. Now what is the meaning of that sentence? Just we have to understand about it. Van Gogh's paintings are all of different subjects. Can you see that three pictures is given here in that your textbook? Three pictures, subject is different. See in your textbook, three pictures, subject is different. Various subjects. One portrait is given here, self-portrait is given here, other two pictures, one nature picture is given here. So three pictures, subject is different here. But now what's different subjects, but the style of all three is the same. But can you observe that three pictures, subject is different, but style of painting is the same. Style of painting is the same. Meaning that in each of his painting he used the color and shapes that he liked. उसका मतलब क्या होता है? उससे जो पसंदीदा कलर है वही उसने यूज किया है और वही स्टाइल से तीनों पिक्चर उसने ड्रॉ किए. Means we can say that subject is different but style is the same in all the three pictures. Can you understand student here? Now next paragraph we have to understand. Look at his paintings carefully. Now we have to observe that painting given by the Vincent van Gogh carefully. What colors and shapes do you think that Van Gogh liked? Which color like most to Vincent van Gogh? Vincent van Gogh को कौन सा कलर बहुत पसंदगी है? Then second one is do you think that Van Gogh liked it? Which color liked the Vincent van Gogh? We have to observe that things. And which type of shapes he used to draw here. These are part of his style. And all the things are known as the style of his paintings. It is known as a style of his paintings. How he used same styles in every painting. Subject is different here, but style is different thing here. Style is which type of colors he used, which shapes he used, all are included in styles. Okay? Subject is different, but styles remain same. Anybody. If you are writing anything, any subject, for example, any subject you are writing in your pen or book, science, social science, even in English, all the subjects, your content will be different, but your style of writing, how you write, how you make cursive writing, all are same things. Even if you are writing in different subjects. So that type of thing is known as a style. Okay? Understand student about style now? Now these are part of his style. All are things known as a style of Vincent van Gogh. Now downside three picture is given here. We have to observe. Okay, one self-portrait of Vincent van Gogh is given here. One nature picture and one general picture is given here. Okay? Now on downside of picture, one thing is given here. We have to understand about it. Let's use words to describe the style of painter. Now we have to describe the style of any painter. One question is given downside. We have to see that question. To describe Van Gogh's style, name at least three things that all the paintings have in common. Now what we have to describe? We have to describe the Vincent van Gogh style here. At least three things we have to describe which is common in three pictures. Given three pictures which is common style is given here. We have to identify the common things, common style in that three pictures and we have to describe it. Use as many describing words as you can. And use as many describing words as you can. So once again we have to write the question here. We have to write question. So first of all I write the question here. Question is given here. See here. Question number first. First question is given here to describe Van Gogh's one more style. Name at least three. Name at least three things. Three things that all the paintings have in common. Use as many describing words as you can. So here our question is given. We have to answer that question. To describe the one coat style, name at least three things that all the paintings have in common. Use as many describing words as you can. Here in your textbook, space is given here. In your textbook, space is given here. In that space, we have to complete that answer. So, first things we see that common things is that here from answer of that question. First thing is that all of them show small strokes of brush making streaks and forming various lines. Here first common thing we see that all of them show small strokes of brush making streaks and forming various lines. All of these in three pictures we observe that common thing is that first one is that all of them show small strokes of brush. Small strokes, थोड़ा ब्रश का हिलाना, ऐसे स्ट्रोक्स हमें वहां पे देखने मिले. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट. सेकंड वन इज गिवन हियर. सेकंड कॉमन थिंग वी हैव टू राइट इज दैट all of them so that they are mixture mixtures mixtures of different colors So here second step we can see that and vivid color, this different color, vivid colors convey passionate feelings of the painter So here second common thing is we can see that, observe that from that picture is that all of them show that they are mixture of different colors. Vivid colors convey passionate feeling of the painter. We can say that it's a passionate feelings of painters. We can see from that three picture. Now third common thing we can see that, third common thing is that he must be using big, medium and small brushes to form line that give impression of 3D shapes. So here students, we completed three common things from Vincent van Gogh's picture. Three common things we can write here. Which type of three common things we find out from the picture of Vincent van Gogh. Okay, after observing that picture, we find out that three common things from that picture. Now after that, second question is given here. How many describing words did you use? Share your description with your class. Which classmate used the most describing words to describe Van Gogh's style? Here we have to write the describing words. Different describing words from that common things we find out from that picture. We have to write describing words here. So just here we don't have to write the questions answer here because we have to do it in our workbook. Okay, just I speak orally that questions answer. Just understand about it. The describing words that I have used are small strokes, swirly lines, different vivid colors we use here. All the things we use here, the describing words we use here. Swirly lines, different vivid colors, passionate feelings, different shades, 3D shapes, etc. That types of words we use to describe the Vincent van Gogh's picture. Okay? Can you understand, student? So here our second question also over. With that our activity number third completed here. Third over here. You have to write question number first in your textbook. Okay? Just complete question number first answer in your English textbook. Space is given here in that your textbook. Just you have to complete answer in your English textbook with pencil. Okay? So complete it. Activity number third over here. Remaining activities we have to do in our next video.
Thank you for joining us